Hello everyone, what we have here today is the Doosan DH55. It's a mini excavator. The plan is we're gonna restore this machine. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna do the hydraulic system, restore all the motor, hydraulic pump, sensor joint, control valve, hydraulic cylinder and everything, right? All the hydraulic system is the first thing we need to do. Okay, so the control valve is located below the driver's seat, right? So I think this gonna be the first one we will do. So this is how the control valve look like after I clean all the dirt and oil. Let me just introduce all the component of this control valve first. This is the output. This is the output to the cylinder or to the motor. And for this one, this is the output to the cylinder. And this one is to the motor, because this is the track, this is the left track and this is the right track. And here we have the relief valve, the pressure relief. The function of the pressure relief is to control the amount of pressure to go hydraulic cylinder or to the hydraulic motor. So whenever we set the pressure on a specific level, let's say 4000 psi, whenever the pressure is more than 4000, the relief valve will release the pressure back to the tank. So the main relief is actually controlling the whole operation of this control valve and also the whole operation of the machine. And the relief valve is just controlling the pressure for a specific one function only. Okay, so that is for the main relief and relief valve. So now we move to the spool. So each of these piece of control valve, there will be one spool. The function of the spool is to change the direction of the pressure. For this particular function, there is two movement, 1 and 2. One is to push the hydraulic rod cylinder to go out, and another one is to push the hydraulic cylinder to go in. Every piece of this control valve has two movements. The function of the spool is to change the direction either one of these functions. The spool moves based on the pilot pressure. So this is the pressure from the pilot. Whichever the signal from the pilot handle, and the pressure will enter here, the pressure will then push the spool to move on that direction. And when the pilot pressure response on this side here, spool will move on this direction. Right, so each of this piece of control valve, the operation is all the same. One piece, Each of these piece of control valve will be for one movement of the excavator. The control valve is all done. Control valve installation is done. All is done. So that is all for the control valve. Also have done doing the servicing and maintenance for the treble motor. We also have done doing the servicing for the swing motor, and also we have done doing the maintenance for the hydraulic pump. Last week I was really busy to do the restoration of the compactor, the Kawasaki KVR4, so I have no time to do the video of us doing the maintenance for the main pump. The engine is running really good. There is no problem for the engine, and this is the Isuzu engine, quite a good engine, and it's strong and durable engine. There is one major problem for this excavator is the slewing bearing. So the slewing bearing is loose. We can actually see the body is really shaking. Some restoration job on this cabin interior also. So as you can see here, some of the area has been taken away by the rust. That is pretty much what we have done for this machine. We're gonna bring this machine back to the warehouse. We can have more comfortable, easier to access the tools and equipment and everything to do the rest of the job. I think that's all for today's video, and see you guys on the next video.